Hello students, today I am going to start the chapter Binomial Theorem for class 11 CBSE board. The book is R.D. Sharma book, exercise 18.2. The question number 16 I am taking. You have to find out the term independent of x. The expansion given 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3x whole to the power 9. We have to find out the term independent of x in the expression by in the expansion of the following expression. In this expansion, which term is independent of x, and that term you have to find out. That we don't know which term. Let t r plus 1 means r plus 1 term be independent of x. Be independent of x. Then you have to find out that term r plus 1 term as per the formula I have told before first class. The formula is 9cr. This is 3x square by 2 whole to the power r, and sorry 9 minus r. This is 9 minus r. The second one is minus 1 by 3x whole to the power r. The first one is as per the formula NCR, a to the power n minus r, b to the power r. Here first term is a, 3x square by 2. That power will be 9 minus r. The second one power will be r. Okay. Now it will be 9cr, then 3 by 2 whole to the power 9 minus r into minus 1 by 3 whole to the power r, and then this will be x square, power is 9 minus 1, that 9 minus r, this will be x to the power 18 minus 2r, and here x to the power minus r. If you take it off, then this will be 18 minus 2r and minus r, that is minus 3r. X to the power 18 minus 3r. As the term t r plus 1 term is independent of x, that means there is no x, that means the x's power should be 0. Now the power of x should be 0, therefore 18 minus 3r should be equal to 0. So from here 18 equal to 3r, therefore r is equal to 6. R equal to 6 means which term is independent of x, therefore t6 plus 1, that means t7. Seventh term is the independent of x, independent of x. Next, this term you have to find out. How to find out? Putting the value of r equal to, in this expression, r equal to 6, 9c, 6, 3 by 2 whole to the power 9 minus r. 9 minus r means 9 minus 6, that is 3 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power r means 6. Finally, we are getting this is 9 factorial, normal simplification, 6 factorial, 3 factorial. Do calculate, you can solve easily. Don't use calculator, just simplify. This will be 3 to the power 3, and here this will be 3 to the power 6. Okay, and this will be 1 by 2 cube, that is 8, and 3 to the power 6, and 3 will be adjusted, that means 3 to the power 3, that means 27, and this will be positive, and its power is even number. Next, 9 factorial means we can write here 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, that is cancel out. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 by 8 into 27. I am writing like this: 9, 3, 27. This 8 cancel out. After that, what left here? 7 by 3, 3, 9, 9 to 18. 7 by 18 is the answer. This term is 7 by 18 where x is not present. Okay, let us go next sum. See the second question, number 16, second part from the book R.D. Sharma for class 11 CBSE board book. See, you have to find out the term independent of x. In this expansion, of 2x plus 1 by 3x square whole to the power 9. Let t r plus 1, that means r plus 1 term, be independent of x. Next you have to find out that term t r plus 1 term. R plus 1 term will be formula as per the formula 9c r 2x whole to the power 9 minus r and 1 by 3x square whole to the power r. This will be 9cr 2 to the power 9 minus r x to the power 9 minus r, and this will be x to the power minus 2r and 1 by 3 whole to the power r. Okay, just you have to arrange here 9cr 2 to the power 9 minus r 1 by 3 whole to the power r, and this will be x to the power 9 minus 3r. Now as it is independent of x, that means the power of x should be 0. That means you have to equate 9 minus 3r should be equal to 0. From here you will get 9 is equal to 3r, that means r equal to 3. Which term is independent of x? That is 3 plus 1. Therefore t r plus 1 means t 3 plus 1 which is equal to t4, that is fourth term is independent of x. Now this term you have to find out as for the last, that you got 9 cr. What is the value of r? That is 3. Then 2 to the power 9 minus r. R means what? 3. Again 1 by 3 whole to the power r means 3. This will be 9 factorial 3 factorial 9 minus 3, that is 6 factorial. This will be 2 to the power 6, and here 1 by 3 to the power 3, that is 27. The other things you are getting, just to simplify, 9 into 8 into 7, 6 factorial, 6 by cancel out, and 3 factorial means 6 you write here. 2 to the power 6 means here 2 to the 6 means this will be, you have to multiply 2 6 times. How much it will be? 64. Yes or no? 64 into 1 by 27. 9 3 27. It will go by 2. This will be 4. This will be 3. Next, the result you are getting here, 4 into 7, 28 into 64, 28 into 64, 28 into 64 by how much you are getting? 339. 3 here 3, 9 coming. Just to multiply 4 here 7, 4 7 is 28 into 64. 28 into 64, if you multiply, the result you have to write here, that is 1792 divided by 9. This is the answer that you are getting from this second part. Okay, second part of number 10 from Additional book. See the answer, 1792 by 9. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let's take the next sum. See the next question, 2x square minus 3 by x cube whole to the power 25. You have to find out the term which is independent of x in the expansion of this one, 2x square minus 3 by x cube whole to the power 25. We don't know which term is independent of x in this expansion. Let r plus 1 term be independent of x. Independent of x. After that, you have to find out that term, r plus 1 term. As for the formula here, 25 power, that is 25 c r. The first part is 2x square whole to the power 25 minus r. And the second one is minus 3 by x cube whole to the power r. Just to see here, this will be 25 cr 2 to the power 25 minus r, x to the power 50 minus 2r, and here minus 3 to the power r, and here x to the power 3r. This will be adjusted here. Next step, write here 25 cr 2 to the power 25 minus r minus 3 whole to the power r, and x to the power here 50 minus 2r. If you will take it off, this will be minus 3 and this will be 50 minus 5r. As the term is independent of x, that means the power of x should be 0. The power of x should be 0. Now 50 minus 5r should be equal to 0. So from here 50 is equal to 5r. So this implies r is equal to how much? 10. R is equal to 10. The which term in this expansion is independent? Therefore, t r plus 1 I have taken. That means r you are getting 10. 10 plus 1, which is 11 term. 11 term is the independent of x. That term you have to find out. Next, put the value of r here. 25 c, r means here 10. 2 to the power 25 minus r is 10. Minus 3 whole to the power r, r means here 10. Now 25 c 10, it will big number will come, and 2 to the power this will be 15. And if it is negative power, negative and power is even number, that means if you will multiply minus 3 10 times, this will be positive come, and write 3 to the power 10. Keep it like this. Okay. If you break, it will be very big number. Let us go next sum. Okay, just see next sum. See the fourth part of number 10. 3x minus 2 by x square whole to the 14. In this expansion, you have to find out the term independent of x. Okay. Let same concept you have to apply. T r plus 1 term means r plus 1 term be independent of x. Independent of x. Then you have to find out that term. As for the formula, power is 15. 15 cr 3x whole to the power 15 minus r, minus 2 divided by x square whole to the power r. As for the formula. Okay. Next, simplification required. 15 cr 3 to the power 15 minus r minus 2 whole to the power r, and x to the power here 15 minus r, here x to the power minus 2r. This will be x to the power 15 minus r minus 2r, that means minus 3r. X to the power 15 minus 3r. Now the power should be 0. 15 minus 3r should be equal to 0. What will get here? R equal to 5. R equal to 5. Because 15 equal to 3r, then r equal to 5. Therefore, t5 plus 1, that means sixth term. Sixth term is independent of x. So find that term, putting the value of r equal to 5 here. This is 15 c r equal to how much? Equal to 5. 3 to the power 15 minus r, 15 minus 5, it will be 10. Then minus 2 whole to the power r means here 5. Okay. Then 15 c 5 3 to the power 10, it will big number will come. It is minus 2 whole to the power 5. Minus sign will come. Keep it minus outside, otherwise keep like this. Minus 2 whole to the power 5. This is the answer. Okay, number fourth part. Let us go. Today I'll do last part. Just see. Next I am taking the last part of number 16, which is given 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 6. and you have to find out in this expansion the term independent of x. So let same concept apply here. Let r plus 1 term be independent of x. Independent of x. Then you have to find out that term. Therefore, t r plus 1 term will be how much? As per the formula, power is 6. 6cr. The first part is 3x square by 2 whole to the power 6 minus r. And the second one is minus 1 by 3x whole to the power r. Then this is 6cr. 3 number you separate 3 by 2, 6 minus r, and here minus 1 by 3 whole to the power r. X to the power, this will be how much? X to the power 12 minus 2r, here x to the power minus the 12 minus 3r. 12 minus 2r, and here x to the minus, that means 12 minus 3r. As the term is independent of x, the power of x should be 0. The power of x that is coming 12 minus 3r should be equal to 0. Equating that power is equal to 0, you will get 12 equal to 3r, then r equal to how much? 4. Therefore, which term is independent of x? As per the formula, therefore t r plus 1 term is independent. R plus 1 means t, 4 plus 1, that means fifth term. 4 plus 1, that is fifth term, is the independent of x. Is the independent of x. Independent of x. Therefore, this fifth term how will find? Putting r is equal to 4 in here, 6 c r means what? 4. 3 by 2 whole to the power 6 minus 4 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power r, that is 4. 6c4 how will break? That will be combination formula 6 factorial by 4 factorial and 2 factorial for 6 minus 4. And then this will be 3 by 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 whole square, and here this will be positive as the power is even, and 1 by 3 to the power 4 means 81. Next step I am writing all these things. 6 factorial will break 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, and here also 4 factorial, it will be cancelled into 2, this will be cancelled out, and this will be 9 by 4, and this will be 1 by 3 to the power 4 means this is 81. Now cancel 9, 9, 81. Then this will be 2, 3, coming 3, 5, 15, 15 by 4, 9, 36. This is the answer of last part of the number 16 from the. Again this will go by 3, as it is clear from the last part, it will go by 3. 3, 5, 3, 12. The actual final answer is 5 by 12. Means after converting lowest term, the final answer is coming 5 by 12. Therefore, 5 by 12, this is the fifth term in this expansion which is independent of x. There is no term, there is no value of x here. Okay, fifth term is independent of x. There is no question of x in this term. In this way, I have completed few questions from this book, from the chapter binomial theorem, about the independent of x in the expansion of binomial. Okay, next I will continue this chapter. Thank you for today's class.